Hi, welcome back to JC Photography Mallorca. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video from a company called Enphoto on one of their photo books. What is Enphoto? Enphoto is a company that supply photographers with different types of photography products, but I will talk about their products at a later date. But for now, let's get into the unboxing. So the size of this photo book is 8" by 8", and I have to say I absolutely love the look of this. It's very glossy on the outer cover, and the pictures on there are printed on there, they're not just stuck on. And you do have the choice of just having 2 images like this, or you can have one full image all over the entire cover. And if I open it, you'll see how the pages look. So they look just like this, but I have to say I absolutely love the look of this cover, and I would think my clients would love it too. So I would be selling these books to my clients for around about €60. So what is the delivery time like? The delivery time I would say is pretty good, as the book comes from Poland, but it took about 7 days to get here, which I would say is pretty good and pretty fast to get here. So I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions about the photo books, please drop a comment below. Okay, thank you ever so much for watching this video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one here. So thank you again, bye for now.